Hmm?
That makes my feet tingle. Looking at the window.
It's really far. Oh wow!
That makes my feet go.
Oh wow! We have a nice park.
Scares me.
Ah,
Wait,
it's
wait, wait,
nice.
wait, wait, wait. Be careful, huh? Be careful around there. Maisie, come here. Come away from there. Maisie. Come away. Yeah, come on, sit over here.
Hello.
On TV, look. Dear Mr. Skates. G'day, welcome to Dubai Hotel.
Yeah. We are delighted that you choose to stay with us. We look forward to your new experience and enjoy excellent service. Aww. Thank you, Mr. Skate. Thank you, Danik.
Well,
21st, I think. So we're going 21 floor. Macy Bonbon. We will have a look at the swimming pool. Come on, Macy. Come with Daddy.
What's it say?
Gotta take your prisoner. Even violate. Macy, where are we now? Hello, Cebu. Hello, Cebu. This is my view.